Hello and welcome to another Tuesday tip tutorial. I'm Claudia Orengo from heartmade.es, and in these very quick videos I share tips on how to design faster and become a better graphic designer. So let's get started. Today I want to continue with another video I created on how I edit my watercolor paintings, how I scan them, clean them. I have lots of videos in that direction. I can link them underneath the description of this video. But one of the latest video and tips I shared is how to have all your illustrations in the same document separated by layers, as you can see here on the menu, and then export all these layers into individual files. And then when you do this, you end up having all your documents like this in the folder you chose. But the issue with this is that it keeps the same size of your original file, right? So for example, if we open this one, you can see there is like a lot of empty space, and then you have to manually cut it. Well, you don't have to manually cut it, and this is the purpose of this video. So I want to show you how to delete all the clear pixels and just cut to the exact size of your illustration or the actual pixels that are used in your file, and remove anything that's transparent with simple clicks on Adobe Photoshop. So how you do this is you go to Image, then you use Trim. You can also create a shortcut like I did. I'm going to link it to my shortcuts video in case you don't know how to create your own. And then you can decide based on transparent pixels, say OK, and voila, here you have this document automatically cut to the exact size of the illustration. And then I can click Save and have this file saved and ready to use. You can even bring this further with an automation, but I'm going to cover this in another video because I want to keep each one of the videos to a specific tip. I hope you discovered something new with this. I definitely didn't know this existed until not long ago, and now I cannot stop using it because definitely it's a time saver. So hopefully it will help you as well. Let me know as always in the comments if you find this useful, and I'll see you next week in another Tuesday tip tutorial. Bye!